This is the third tenor ukulele that I made with the MGB tenor ukulele kit. I haven't cut those things off yet. I just put this together. They sound great. The necks I love, and this is just, a cigar box. I also put in this one the electronics with the piezo pickups in here. And here's what it sounds like unplugged. Unplugged. Now plugged in, and here's what it sounds like. No effects pedal, just straight amplification. Now with a little bit of a delay pedal. Reverb chorus. And just a little bit of reverb here, where I will leave it for doing minor swing. So there you have it. This is the third one that I built, and I've got plans for a fourth one with even a bigger, thicker box, and I'll see how that comes out. These are great MGB guitars, ukulele kit. You can't go wrong. So get one, build one, and have some fun.